please read all the included instructions and attention labels before beginning your assembly by running the power cord of the pump through the large bowl. The power cord then goes through the pedestal and is aligned at the bottom with the groove notch. Lift the large bowl onto the pedestal, properly orient the grooves and notches of the twist and lock system, and twist the bowl securely in place. Check that you've left enough slack in your power cord installation to be sure the pump will go freely in and out of that basin area, and then add your cord pipe cap. You can now add your pump house riser, making sure the proper orientation of your grooves and notches of the twist and lock system. You'll now add the piped spill bowl in proper orientation. Check that the clear silicone tubing is attached firmly to the top feature and inserted into the pipe down into the basin. The feature piece can be adjusted as shown. You can now retrieve the pump. Checking the flow control dial on the front, we recommend setting the flow to about 80%. Install your pump jacket filter accessory. Attach the tubing securely to the output of the pump. Place the pump and filter back squarely into the basin area so it sits at the very bottom. You want to have a little bit of an angle to the pump if you can, with the front facing forward. Also be sure that the tubing is going straight up and down with no bends or kinks or obstructions before adding your access door. The access door and the groove notch at the bottom should line up if you've assembled everything properly, and it should go to the back of the viewing area. Fill with water and be sure to plug into a grounded outdoor rated receptacle. The string rock accessories will help you to adjust the flow and sound of your fountain to reach your desired effect.